Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel Creations to Explore. In today's video, I will tell you how to make your own coloring pages. So, this is the easiest way of creating your own personalized, maybe coloring pages. So, how to create them? But because before that, I want to tell you an example. Like you see any kind of cute animated picture on Chrome or Google, and you want a color in it, but still it's like a colored picture. So, how you can convert a normal picture to a coloring page, okay, with only and only the boundaries. So you can just like color it. You can even take the printouts and then you can just color them. So it's going to be like an easy thing. So how to do this thing? This is going to be the easiest way. Today I'm going to tell you. So if you want to know how to make your own coloring pages without spending any money, super fast and super easy, just stay tuned with me in this video till the end. So let's get started. First of all, we will go to Play Store. Over here, I have downloaded this app. Just let me show you before what I have done. So yes, whenever you open Play Store, you will come across these kind of this page. Search for Pencil Sketch Photo Editor. Alright, so you will come across these many pictures and all that things. So yeah, these are like all the things you can see. Now the first step over this one, okay, I'm going to like just show you like this. All right, so this app we have to click. So you guys can remember this app either by its name. The name is pretty long, Pencil for a sketching, drawing, photo editor. But you can even remember this with these two girls smiling on us. So yeah, you can remember this app by this picture. So that will be easy. I have already downloaded this app, so yes, I have to just click on open. Right, so it's like just downloaded. But before opening this app, let's go to Chrome, or you can even go to Google. Over here I have Chrome. Let's write for search. Now over here let's search for anything. Let's search for example. um I think we can take the printouts. Like you can search any kind of topic you want to take the printout of, okay? Or you maybe want to color any kind of picture. So choose the topic. So which topic can we choose, guys? I have no clue which one can we choose. Okay, so let's choose some. Yep, let's choose a mermaid maybe. So I'm gonna search for a mermaid. Mermaid. Animated. You have to write this word animated for much better experience in a coloring page. So write for this animated images. This one. Let's go to over here. Okay, towards the images thing. So now we have got a variety of pictures. One tip which I will be giving you over here just now is that choose a picture that has black boundaries over it. For example, let's take this picture. It hasn't those kind of boundaries over it. It's very blur as well. Okay, choose a picture that's very good, like maybe HD. See, this one is good, but it doesn't has boundaries over it, so you can't choose this picture. You can actually, but it will not give you such a nice coloring page. Okay, so always try your best searching for a picture that has nice boundaries over it. Maybe for this one it looks pretty cute. I think yes guys, this one looks good, so I think I can choose this one. So let's click over it and then click on download image, and let's click on download. Our picture is downloaded. Let's click on open now, and you guys can see our picture is already downloaded. So let's go ahead. Now we will go to our app. Where is our app? Yes, it is downloaded. Pencil Photo Sketch app. It's already downloaded, I told you. So yes, let's go in it. So now I will be showing you what to do in this app. First of all, you will come across this page. When you open this app, that's camera, gallery, more apps, rate us, like us, share. Okay, so you have to click on gallery over here. Let's click over gallery. Allow. Anyways, Now after clicking on gallery, you have to go over here, then click on downloads. I have downloaded this picture, right? So I'm going to basically click on the tick at the top, ads and ads anyways. Now we have got a variety of options over here. I'm showing you by moving these options, you can see now. So yeah, let's click on the first one now. See this, guys. See what I was telling you is this thing. How amazing it is. I mean, you have to not do anything, but let's choose a better quality of coloring page. Yes, you can get much better than this we are getting right now. So this one, not really. You guys can see a blue underline behind this example. So that's because I had choose this example. So whichever example you choose, there will be a blue line highlighting it. So we have choose this one. It's not really that great because it has some black things all around. Not this one really. This one looks pretty good, guys. You can see all those black one things like this all at the background. Also you can see those are not visible when you are choosing this option. So you can see this girl. You can again remember the option by the picture. So remember this, that there's a girl and you have to choose this option, and this option is suitable for all the basically all the pictures. Okay, so if you want to take out a printout or you want a coloring page, choose this option or this girl. This is like the best option, so yeah, choose it. Then at the top we have a download symbol over here. Okay, we have at the top we can see pencil photo sketch written, then we have an arrow thing, and then we have a download symbol. Let's click over it, and then over here we have four options: save, share, Facebook and Instagram. Let's click on save, and our image is saved, guys. So let's go and see our image. Let's go to gallery, and this over here we have got our, see, this was the picture which we chose, which we just downloaded, so it's there in our gallery, and this is the picture we have made now. I mean, just see how amazing this is. You can print it out, it's ready to be printed. And guys, in this way you can create any topic. You can create a printout or maybe a coloring page of any topic you really feel like. And yes, guys, with that all being said, let's finish this video over here. So if you liked my video, make sure giving this a big thumbs up. It's a very easy tutorial. Make sure you try this out, and if you do and if it works for you, make sure commenting me down in the this in the comment section. So yes, guys. And guys, for that, bye bye now, and meeting you in my next video. Bye.